This thing is so clean. What's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm super tired. Yesterday we head out to Jacksonville, which I'll put some clips right now. Oh, my car's looking so good. Obviously the M5, 335, M235. Oh, it has the carbon fiber grills, 50th edition. Oh, it has my favorite seats, the red carbon seats. X5M, 335i. I think. What is it? Oh, 340 uses the fast boy. Holy shit! That's loud. Got the M2. This is hot. M3. That was the other contender. That's nice. Look at the headlight. Yeah, it looks better. Oh, watch out! Oh, the light on the seats. Oh, fresh kick special. Oh yeah, there's a fast boy. I was walking over here and I saw a TT. What's different on here? This boy got slicks. That diffuser's clean. Create our own car meet. Diablo! And now it is 7:48 and I woke up. I'm going by myself to get you guys some content to the Hilton Head Cars and Coffee and see what they got over there. I know it's gonna be GTR, some Ferraris, Lambos, stuff like that I know you guys would enjoy. Again, I'm super tired. I'll probably stop and get some coffee or some type of energy. There it is. Yo, my car is so dirty. Look at that. Oh my God. Looks like we're here. I don't know if I'm in the right place. I hope so. I don't see any cars over here. I'm just gonna keep looking because I have no idea where I'm going. I'm out here with the steppers, you heard. Those Caymans are so nice. These X3Ms, oh, they're so fast. Got an ETR. Clean WRX. Damn, whose car is this? Shit, that's me. 6. IS 350. Okay. Nice and low. Whatever that is over there, it's chopping like crazy. Stock GTR, like it, I like it. It does smell like 85 out here though. I remember when they started twin turbo in these. I think UGR did the first twin turbo on these. The Vet Gang. I'm surprised none of them are wearing New Balances. What is this? Hot Wheels car. Oh my god. This is insane. Some Mickey Thompson's in the back. Got a parachute and a wheelie bar. That's insane. Oh, I saw this when I walked around first. This has a new 5.0 engine in it. It's a 49 Ford Tador. I don't even know how to say it, but I think this is the sheriff off of Cars with a new Mustang engine. Ooh, unmolested M3. Yeah. Oh, these wheels. I might have to look for those wheels for my car. That's hard. Bottle green wrap. BBS CHR wheels. Okay. Got a brother out here. Oh, got the 6-speed. Okay. Okay. My car don't look too bad. I actually didn't like the wheels at first. So I think I'm gonna keep them. I think I'm gonna keep them. Oh, you know what? I just realized I'm matching.
Yeah, it's amazing how timeless it is.
Oh, is this clean? Someone has a welded diff over there. So clean. I smell an M5 on HREs. God, that is a different type of flex. Oh my God, that's hard.
That's what she said.
This thing is so clean. And there's a fast boy around here. Excuse me. Yeah, this thing is nice. Mustang boys out here. Got a little kitty out here. Imagine we get a trailer, plug it to the back, pull in 3, go to every car meet in the world. This I'm be in the car meets is like low and slow. Like fuck are you just slow? Nah, this thing is cool though. Properly built. And this thing is clean. So I always see these, but they're all chopped up and bad paint. But right-hand drive, super clean interior. Nice wheels, proper fitment, properly built. Thumbs up for you, my boy.
You could.
I know. I mean, I installed it, but I bought all that.
God damn. Look at the tires on this. Oh yeah. Can never go wrong with a CTSV. Just sounds like my go-kart. Love the color of these wheels. I smell a Rari. Oh, what's going on here? Got the Nismo seats. The back end of the F8s are always so nice. RDBLA those nasty F8s. Love this color. Oh, is that an EcoBoost? What the f is this? What is this? I'm sorry, I don't know anything about Mustangs. This is a clean build. Okay, I see the Turbski. Nice fitment. Okay, I see it's a wrap. I mean, I like it. I came over here because I saw that this had no windshield. That's pretty insane. So I decided to leave the cars and coffee and check out the Audi, check out Porsche, and a few dealerships out here, see what they got. I see an M2 right there. All right. So I'm gonna check out some cars. If I see something interesting, then I'll show you. If I don't, I won't show you. So I was about to leave and I saw this right here. It has a half cage in the back. Bro, this spec is nice. This thing is my dream spec. I just realized that. The cage, carbon fiber seats, 6-speed manual, carbon fiber everywhere, center lock wheels, big brakes. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
The next day.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today's another day. I know this vlog is gonna be a little bit crazy because I don't feel like I have enough content for one video per day, so I'm just gonna put all these meets together. But I'm about to turn on the car. It is about 7:30 in the morning. I live in an apartment complex, as you can see, and I don't think they're gonna be too happy with me. They're probably gonna kick me out of these apartment complexes, but it is what it is. But now, man, we're heading out to my local Cars and Coffee. There's a few of you guys that are gonna be there, so it's gonna be cool to meet you guys. I need to go wash the car because I took it to South Carolina yesterday and Jacksonville the day before. So the front of the car, it's a murder scene, right? So it has a whole bunch of bugs on it, bug splatter. So I'm gonna go ahead into the spray bays by the house and spray the car off. When they have plates. When they have plates, pretty much fucked. These Camrys are clean. It is a quiet day. Those wheels are crazy. When I was looking for my first car, I wanted one of these. The Lewis Garage. Instagram's on the thing.